You've probably asked yourself, can I sell gift cards on Vagaro? It's a great question, and one that gets to the heart of maximizing revenue and boosting client loyalty in your salon, spa, or fitness business. In today's competitive landscape, every tool that streamlines operations and enhances the client experience is invaluable. Gift cards, in particular, are not just a nice-to-have. They're a powerful revenue generator, a marketing machine, and a fantastic way to introduce new clients to your services. Think about it. How many times has a client wanted to buy a gift for a friend or family member, but wasn't sure what to get? Or perhaps they loved their experience so much they wanted to share it. Gift cards solve that problem instantly. They offer flexibility for the recipient and a guaranteed future visit for your business. But the mere availability of gift cards isn't enough. The real magic happens when you can seamlessly integrate them into your existing systems, making them easy to sell, redeem, and track. This is where a robust platform like Vagaro comes into play. Vagaro is renowned for its comprehensive suite of tools designed specifically for the beauty, wellness, and fitness industries. From online booking and payment processing to client management and marketing, it aims to be a one-stop shop for business owners. So, when it comes to gift cards, does Vagaro live up to its reputation? Can it truly empower you to effortlessly sell and manage this crucial revenue stream? The short answer and the exciting news is a resounding yes. Vagaro offers a robust and intuitive system for selling and managing gift cards, making it an incredibly valuable asset for your business. Let's dive deeper into how Vagaro makes this possible and explore the full spectrum of benefits you can reap. First and foremost, the ease of setup and sale is remarkable. Vagaro allows you to create and customize digital gift cards directly within your account. You can design them to match your brand, choose the denominations, and even set expiration dates if you wish, though many businesses opt for no expiration to maximize client satisfaction and compliance with consumer protection laws. Once created, these digital gift cards can be sold directly through your Vagaro online booking page, your website, and even your social media channels. This means your clients can purchase them 24/7, from anywhere, without needing to physically visit your location. Imagine the convenience for a last-minute gift buyer. Beyond digital sales, Vagaro also supports the sale of physical gift cards. You can purchase pre-printed cards or print your own, then easily activate and load them with value through your Vagaro point-of-sale (POS) system. This hybrid approach caters to all client preferences, ensuring you never miss a sale opportunity. Whether a client prefers the tangible feel of a physical card or the instant gratification of a digital one, Vagaro has you covered. But the real power of Vagaro's gift card system lies in its integrated management features. Once a gift card is sold, its value is tracked automatically within your Vagaro account. When a client comes in to redeem a gift card, your staff can easily apply the balance to their service or product purchase directly through the POS system. This eliminates manual tracking, reduces errors, and speeds up the checkout process. No more fumbling with spreadsheets or handwritten ledgers. The system instantly updates the remaining balance, providing clarity for both your staff and the client. Furthermore, Vagaro provides comprehensive reporting on gift card sales and redemptions. You can track how many gift cards have been sold, their total value, how many have been redeemed, and the outstanding balances. This data is invaluable for understanding the impact of your gift card program on your overall revenue. It helps you identify popular denominations, peak selling periods, and even track the effectiveness of any gift card promotions you run. Armed with this information, you can make informed decisions to optimize your strategy and maximize your profits. Consider the marketing potential alone. Gift cards serve as a fantastic marketing tool, essentially turning your satisfied clients into brand ambassadors. When someone gives a gift card to your business, they're not just giving a present. They're introducing a new potential client to your services. Vagaro's seamless integration makes it easy to promote gift cards. You can feature them prominently on your website, include them in email marketing campaigns, and even run social media ads directly linking to your gift card purchase page. Imagine a holiday season campaign where you promote gift cards with a special bonus, and how easily Vagaro allows you to execute and track such a promotion. The benefits extend beyond just new client acquisition. Gift cards also contribute to client retention. When a client has a gift card, they are more likely to return to your business, even if they haven't been in a while. It acts as a powerful incentive, reminding them of the value you offer and encouraging repeat visits. And let's not forget the breakage factor, the phenomenon where some gift cards are never fully redeemed. While it's always best to encourage full redemption for client satisfaction, any unredeemed portion represents pure profit for your business. Vagaro accurately tracks these outstanding balances, giving you a clear picture of your liabilities and potential future revenue. Another often overlooked advantage is the ability to use gift cards for refunds or as part of customer service recovery. Instead of issuing a cash refund, you can offer a gift card for a future service. This not only keeps the revenue within your business, but also encourages the client to give you another chance to provide a positive experience. Vagaro's flexible system makes this a straightforward process, allowing you to quickly issue a gift card with a custom value. In essence, Vagaro transforms gift cards from a simple transaction into a strategic business tool. It empowers you to increase revenue. By making gift cards easy to purchase and redeem, you unlock a significant revenue stream. Attract new clients. Gift cards serve as a powerful referral mechanism, bringing new faces through your doors. Boost client loyalty. They encourage repeat visits and strengthen the bond with existing clients. Improve efficiency. Automated tracking and management save valuable time and reduce administrative burden. Gain valuable insights. Comprehensive reporting provides data-driven insights to optimize your gift card strategy. Enhance brand visibility. Customizable digital and physical cards reinforce your brand identity. Streamline operations. Integrated sales and redemption simplify transactions for both staff and clients. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.